Welcome back to Day 2 of the IELTS Speaking Band 9 series. In this session, we'll focus on Part 1 of the speaking test, often underestimated but extremely important. This is where you set the tone, build confidence, and let the examiner know you're a fluent and expressive speaker. Let's dive in and break it down step by step. What Part 1 really tests? Part 1 usually lasts about 4 to 5 minutes and includes questions about familiar topics, like your hometown, studies, daily routine, or hobbies. But remember, IELTS isn't testing how interesting your life is. It's testing how well you communicate. Specifically, the examiner is listening for 4 main things: your fluency and coherence, how smoothly you speak; your pronunciation, whether you're clear and easy to understand; your grammar range and accuracy, can you use various sentence types without mistakes; and your lexical resource, which means the vocabulary you use. So even if the topic is simple, your delivery and language skills must be sharp. One of the most common mistakes candidates make in Part 1 is giving short, basic answers. For example, if you're asked, "Do you enjoy cooking?" and you say, "Yes, I do," that won't get you far. A Band 9 speaker expands, not by overthinking, but by naturally adding a reason, an example, or a feeling. Let's try that again. Question: Do you enjoy cooking? Band 6 answer: Yes, I do. Band 9 answer: Yes, I really enjoy cooking. It's something I find relaxing, and I love trying new recipes, especially spicy dishes from YouTube channels. You see the difference? The second version is conversational, expressive, and uses richer vocabulary and structure. Remember this formula: answer, reason, example, or feeling. Practice it until it becomes your default response style. Practice common topics. There are a few topics that show up often in Part 1. Let's practice 3 of them using the Band 9 formula. Work or study? Question: What do you study? A. I'm studying computer science at university. I chose it because I enjoy solving logical problems, and right now I'm especially interested in cybersecurity. Question: Where are you from? I'm from Sylhet, a city in the northeast of Bangladesh. It's known for its tea gardens and scenic landscapes. I love how peaceful it feels compared to the capital. Free time. Question: What do you usually do in your free time? I usually read tech articles or watch documentaries. Recently, I've been diving into AI and machine learning, which I find both fascinating and a bit scary. The key is to show interest, add detail, and stay natural. Slide 5: Common mistakes to avoid. Let's talk about what not to do. Don't speak too briefly, single-sentence answers won't show your fluency. Don't memorize scripted responses. The examiner will notice, and it'll hurt your score. Avoid unfamiliar big words. Trying to sound impressive can backfire if you don't use them correctly. And finally, don't speak like a robot. Examiners love to hear your personality, your tone, emotions, and natural speech patterns. So instead of trying to be perfect, aim to be clear, confident, and real. Here's one powerful tip to boost fluency: shadowing. This technique involves listening to a native speaker and immediately repeating what they say, mimicking their pace, tone, and pronunciation. Start with just 2 or 3 sentences from a TED Talk, an interview, or a podcast. Pause, rewind, and repeat until it flows naturally. Do this 10 minutes a day, and you'll notice major improvements in how naturally you speak. It's like language gym for your brain and tongue. Closing and next steps. To wrap up, IELTS Speaking Part 1 may feel like small talk, but it's your chance to build momentum and impress from the start. Practice answering casually, fluently, and with detail. Use the answer, reason, example formula. Avoid common traps. And use shadowing daily. In Day 3, we'll level up and learn how to master Part 2, the long-term speech, using storytelling techniques, and a Band 9 response breakdown. If you found this helpful, like, share, and comment with fluency below. See you in the next episode. Keep practicing and aim high.